Hi guys, so today I wanted to show you what are the contents of the beauty giveaway box that I got from Boozt.com. This one, and I got this because I bought this cream. It's every woman's best friend. Okay, so let's proceed to the opening of the box. And this is the box. It's not so big. This is the iPhone Max. So and ta-da! Okay, here we go. So you got this is by Nukes. It's a facial cleansing and makeup removing gel. And then we got this day fluid with SPF 30 from Lumine. You got the Lancome. It's a serum, I think. And Clinique Moisture Surge. This is an Estee Lauder. It's an it's a mascara. Yeah. So Clarins Refreshing Hydration Mask. And you got this too here. Bjorn Oxen. It's a shampoo and a conditioner with argan oil. That's trending nowadays. So you have this Huxley. Cleansing gel. I think there are 2 kills here. Yeah, this one's a facial fuel. It's a moisturizer for men. And it's a moisturizer or facial cream, skin hydrator. Now you have the Declor. It's a facial cream, moisturizer. Yeah. Biotherm and SPF 30. It's for face and body. There are lots of products here. It's Sisley. It's a cute lipstick. Well, everything here is in sample size. And these are so cute. I love these hair ties. These are really good. It's a really good grip. And it's also easy to remove. And you got this soap. It's a product called Victor Vaisier. I don't know how to pronounce that. You might want to comment down. And the last 2 are Bare Minerals and bronzer. The color here is warm. Let me open this. This is really cute to put in the purse. There is it. Nice one. And last but not the least, the Filorga. I've seen this one in YouTube. Time Filler Eyes. So that was it. That was the nicest beauty box I have ever gotten. And it is from Boozt. I got this free because I bought this cream. Thank you guys for watching. And see you next time. Bye bye.